Hi guys, and welcome to my channel MatVanGeo. Today we're in the Western Cape in Montagu Springs and we bumped into this amazing leopard tortoise. This is Stigmochelys pardalis. This is the fourth largest species of tortoise in the world. Number one being the Galapagos, second the Mauritian tortoise, and then the third being another species of tortoise here in Africa. They're an absolutely incredible animal, totally ancient, very dinosaur-like, and this individual must be pushing at least 100 years old. Leopard tortoises range between 15 to 20 kilos, and they get a lot larger in the northern and southern edges of their range. These guys are ranging all the way from Sudan down to the Cape here in South Africa, so they're extremely large range here in Africa. An absolutely incredible species of tortoise. They prefer arid regions, so these guys are incredibly drought resistant as well. They live out here in the arid regions during the hot times of the day. They'll find a little shaded, secluded spot. This is a male. You can tell males and females apart from a concave underbelly that males have, which they use to be able to mount onto the females. The females have a very flat belly. The males are also a little bit smaller than the females, so this is really a beast of a leopard tortoise for a male. They usually start out when they're born, they're very brightly colored, yellows and blacks, and as they get older, like this guy, you can see it's gone very faded with these rusty colors. He's still got a little bit of his patterning left. They breed just before the summer months, between March and October. The females will lay multiple clutches between 18 to 30 eggs, which they incubate for around 8 to 9 months. The big problem with them is that the predators will go after their eggs, a high source of protein and nutrients. So honey badgers and all sorts of things, jackals, even hyenas have been known to raid these guys' nests and eat all the eggs, but they do produce a large amount of eggs within one breeding season of up to 30 eggs. So they do get the numbers out there so that the ones that do survive to adulthood can then reproduce again. Really cool species of tortoise. I feel privileged to be sitting next to such an ancient creature. These guys, in terms of conservation status, they've been collected a lot throughout time for the pet trade, for people keeping them in their gardens, etc. So these are found all over the world in private collections as well as in zoos, etc. But they still have a healthy population across Africa, habitat destruction, etc. also can be playing a part, but they're still of least concern and long-time survivors. These guys don't actually dig the burrows themselves. They use other animals' holes to be able to get away from the harsh environments. The only time that they will dig is the females during the breeding season to lay their eggs. So these guys feed on majority grasses, variety of different grasses. They'll eat succulents and any sort of fruit that they can find around, whether it's desert melons or things like that. Come here, buddy. Wow, he's strong. Check at that, like a little tractor. They're also known to actually eat carrion or bones or even hyena feces to be able to get that calcium for their bones and for egg development. So really well adapted species of animal. Absolutely incredible to find this species out in the wild at this size. So guys, if you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit that notifications bell so you can check out the next episode, the next species we catch out here on Expedition South Africa. And remember, stand for what we stand on.